Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates, guys. Dito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi naman talaga to personal reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Pero kung gusto mong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, yan yung pangalan niya sa Facebook. And yun din ang kanyang TikTok, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka namang palm reading din sa akin. Pero free yun kung mag-a-avail ka ng mga bracelet na available sa aking TikTok shop. Ayan. Mga piyaw bracelets, mga crystals po yan. And ito yung mga example yan. Ayan yung pantawag po yan ng pera. Ayan, yung pang swerte, abundance in life, prosperity, etc. Anyway, this is for the sign of Earth sign. Let's start your reading. Earth sign. Para dun sa mga nagtatanong, wala daw silang TikTok. At tatry ko pa pong alamin kung paano kayo makakapag-avail sa akin. Or yung mga nagsasabi na hindi maka-avail sa bansa nila. Well, aalamin ko pa din kung paano magandang gawin. But anyway, this is for the sign of Earth sign. 3 of Swords, 9 of Swords, 3 of Wands, 6 of Swords, and Page of Cups. Knight of Cups, sorry. Bottom of the deck is the 10 of Pentacles and the 5 of Wands. Okay. I feel like there's a person na sobrang namomoblema ngayon, sobrang nasasaktan, sobrang nahihirapan. This person maybe is involved in a third-party situation. I mean, hindi lang ikaw. I mean, hindi ikaw, but rather I feel like there's a person na kakonect niya, tapos yung person na kakonect niya is in another relationship. Maybe there's another connection. And could be, siya yung lumalabas dito as a third party. Okay? This person misses you a lot. Namimiss ka niya. Yung person na kakonect niya, currently, hindi siya masaya sa sitwasyon nila. It's like, this person is trapped. Parang, may something na kinuha sa kanya. Maybe yung kanyang, I feel like feeling niya nauto siya, nalinlang siya. I feel like nasayang yung kung ano man yung inaalagaan niya. Maybe sarili niya. I feel like feeling niya biktima siya. Okay, that's the energy. And then, yung person na to really miss you a lot. And, tinatry niyang mag-move on sa connection na meron sa inyo. Kasi feeling niya naka-move on ka na eh. So feeling niya, kailangan ko rin mag-move on kasi nag-move on ka na sa akin eh. Na okay ka na eh. I feel like yung situation mo ngayon, you do have a lot of problems. Problems or I can see fight, pag-aaway, kaguluhan with regards to money or may kinalaman sa career. I feel like you're trying to prove someone na meron ka or marunong ka or alam mo yung ginagawa mo, etc. But they're not listening, hindi sila nakikinig. And you feel like nakikita natin na you do have here the Empress and the Libra. So, nakikita natin pwedeng hinahangaan mo sila or nakikita mo sa kanila, wow, ganyan. May ganong energy, medyo mataas ang tingin mo sa mga taong ito. But, they see you as parang ang baba ng tingin nila sa'yo and then, nagkakaroon ng pagkakagulat, pag-aaway doon kasi you're trying to prove yourself na kaya mo na you do have maybe money or you might be a very artistic person pero hindi nila nakikita yon. And, meron silang parang taong pinakikinggan and hindi ikaw yon. Okay? So, nandun yung feeling mo, wala ka dito sa mga taong ito. I don't know if that's friends, colleagues, okay, may kinalaman sa ganun. But, anyway, that's your energy. So, tell me more about this person. Spirit guides, angel guides, na nag-iisip kay Earth sign. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Earth sign, please. Tell me more for the sign of Earth sign. You do have here the Five of Swords, Four of Wands, the King of Pentacles. I don't know if you're dealing with someone na parang may parang napilitan sa pakikipagsama, sa live-in, or napilitan sa marriage. That's the energy. Nakakita nga pala ako ng siopaw. This could be a reading. I don't know. Maybe you do love siopaw, or it's your favorite food. Or maybe that's your person's favorite food. Anyway, you do have here the Knight of Swords. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So, ang nakukuha natin dito is that okay, I feel like etong person na ito ang feeling niya ang laki ng pagkakaiba ninyo. Pero alam niya na parang hindi kanya kayang i-let go spiritually. Like there's something between the two of you na sabihin na nating usaping spiritual. Like hindi niya rin ma-explain. Ang energy is that parang feeling niya we can't be together. Hindi tayo pwede. And that with the Knight of Wands, dalawang knights na ito, oh. So, feeling niya you're living or ikaw na ito na lumalayo, umiiwas sa kanya because you're focusing on your new beginnings. Okay. I don't know if you're dealing with an earth sign or an air sign. A water sign din is here. But anyway, can be any sign naman. Pero, this person parang tinanggap niya na kung ano yung nangyari. Tinanggap niya na kung ano yung faith or nangyari or yung nakatadhana sa kanya, yung mga nangyari sa kanya. Parang tinanggap niya na lang rin. And parang kasi wala naman kasi siyang choice. Like this person is trapped. Okay? And feeling niya if he or she would offer something sa'yo, hindi mo yun tatanggapin. Okay, anyway, what will happen in the near future for you? Earth sign. In the near future, you do have the Six of Wands. This is the King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, Three of Pentacles, The Devil, there's the Knight of Swords, the Ace of Wands, the Fool, the Seven of Wands, and the Temperance. So, in the future, nakakakita ko ng actually, pagdating sa money, maganda eh. Like, pwedeng nabuo mo na yung pinakapundasyon ng kung bakit magkakaroon ng growth sa'yo. Money growth. Okay, I can see money growth. Lalo na sa mga actions na gagawin mo in the near future regarding sa new beginnings. Something is telling me na may kinalaman ito sa career na medyo malayo sa area mo or sa place mo, like you need to travel para dito sa career na ito. Hindi ko alam kung hindi naman necessarily malayong pagta-travel, pwedeng malapit lang. Pero for some of you, pwedeng malayo. Like yung iba pwedeng car lang naman or motor, okay lang. Pero hindi siya somewhere sa malapit sa area mo, sa nakasanayan mo. But I can see a lot of learnings or pagkatuto mo mula dito sa sa career na ito. And nakikita natin with the Fool, this new beginning, you would start as if wala ka talagang kaalam-alam, no? Pero nakakita nga natin na at least nabuo mo na yung pundasyon. Okay? Dito sa, kumbaga maaaring nasimulan mo na siya, nasanayan mo na siya unti-unti ng mag-grow para sa'yo dito sa bagay na ito. You need a lot of patience dito sa career na ito. With the Devil, I feel like those people na nag-handle sa'yo, they are the right people na dapat lang talagang mag-handle sa'yo. Kasi they would teach you a lot. You would learn a lot from them. Marami ka matututunan sa kanila. Regarding the person in the past, nakakita tayo dito ng pag-iwas. In the future, bakit? With the Five of Cups, kasi hindi niya kayang harapin itong kalungkutan na to. Or yung emotions na nararamdaman niya sa'yo, na sobrang nalulungkot siya, sobrang nasasaktan siya, hindi niya kayang harapin yon. And that with the Eight of Swords, feeling niya nasasaktan ka rin niya, so hindi niya rin kayang i-handle yon, hindi niya rin kayang maramdaman yung feeling niya nasasaktan ka niya. Medyo weird yon. Pero with the King of Swords, hindi makikita sa person ito na nasasaktan siya, parang nagmamatigas lang siya, wala lang, ganon. And nag-focus lang siya sa career niya. But definitely, this person wants to come back. Pero I feel like this person is coming back with a lot of secrets. Babalik siya na marami siyang sinisikreto. Pero, maaaring may kinalaman yun doon sa sitwasyon niya. This person, or sa emotion niya, babalik siya ng pwedeng hindi pa siya ready aminin sa'yo lahat. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.